Hi and welcome to episode number 611 with whatsforchow.com. Pickled onion rings are a great way to turbocharge any burger, and they also work fantastically as garnishes and salads with just about any meal. To start, you need 800 grams onions. Top and tail the onions and remove the skins. Cut each onion through the center lengthways and cut the halves into slices of 3 mm in thickness. Place the sliced onion in a large non-reactive bowl. Measure 3 tablespoons of non-iodated salt, either pickling salt, kosher salt or Himalayan. Sprinkle this over the onion and mix it in thoroughly. Allow the onions to stand for 60 minutes. While the onions sweat, place 110 grams sugar, 2.5 ml coriander seed, 2.5 ml mustard seed or roughly ground mustard, and 2.5 ml black peppercorns in a saucepan. Pour in 750 ml white wine vinegar. Heat the pot over medium-high heat and bring to a boil. Lower the temperature and simmer the mixture for 30 minutes. While this continues, rinse and strain the onions. Place a sterilized 1 liter jar in a saucepan. Fill it with the onion rings. Pour hot water, not boiling water, into the pot around the jar. This will minimize any thermal shock to the glass when the boiling vinegar is added. Strain the vinegar through a sieve or coffee filter and pour it into the jar until the onions are completely covered. Any leftover vinegar can be refrigerated for your next batch. Clip the jar closed and allow the bottle to cool in the water. The onions will last indefinitely stored in a cool, dark place. However, they should be refrigerated once opened. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Wednesday.